Think you know retirement? Think again. These unpopular opinions from retirees and Facebook users might make you question everything you've heard about the golden years. According to AARP, retirement today is changing, and so is the advice. Retirement age should be 50. Many argue that waiting until 65 plus means waiting until you're too tired to enjoy life. Solution: consider phased retirement or part-time work. Enjoy freedom while staying active and socially engaged. Retirement is a stupid idea, some say, unless for health reasons, people should work longer. Solution: retirement isn't about stopping completely, it's about choosing how you spend your time. Keep projects or hobbies that give purpose. Retirement accounts are scams. Some argue that traditional retirement accounts limit flexibility compared to business or real estate investment. Solution: diversify your approach. Retirement accounts plus other investments can give both security and flexibility. Retirement causes guilt and loss of purpose. Stopping work can make people feel useless. Solution: explore volunteering, mentorship, or hobbies that leverage your skills. Purpose doesn't retire. Retirement is just moving money. Critics suggest early retirement forces others to work harder. Solution: focus on personal planning. Retirement is about your life, not comparison to others. Retirement is boring. Some find it lonely or mentally unstimulating. Solution: stay socially and mentally active. Clubs, classes, and hobbies keep life vibrant. Retirement is the end of relevance. Some view retirement as signaling diminished usefulness. Solution: contribute in new ways. Community, consulting, or creative projects show your value doesn't end. Retirement is overrated. Some believe it's overhyped. Solution: personalize it. Retirement can be meaningful if you design it to match your goals and passions. You'll miss work more than you think. Routine, structure, and social interaction are often underestimated. Solution: build a new routine and social network. Fitness classes, clubs, or volunteer groups can replace the work structure. Retirement can feel longer than expected. Without structure, time can drag. Solution: plan your days intentionally. Mix leisure, learning, and social activity to make retirement feel full and rewarding. Thanks for watching. Retirement looks different for everyone, and sometimes the advice you hear the most isn't the advice you need.